Some meals are not cooked with fire alone. They are cooked with memory. Today, we're keeping it simple, but meaningful. Before we start, remember to always wash your hands. Cooking is not rushing. It is respect. Just like Mama used to cut it as. Add palm oil, allow it to heat up a little. Now we add our Ugba, Ogiri, and pepper. This smell, this is where home lives. Yes, this is it.
I knew it. I knew you wouldn't disappoint.
Eat first.
This one is special.
No matter how far life takes us, one meal can always bring us home.